All right, guys. So Pulsechain is absolutely insane right now. So the next major gains that we're seeing now inside of Pulsechain is coming from some random coin now called MONAT money. Now this was also deployed by the 414 wallet address. So this is huge. It's crazy how this keeps happening. And yeah, if you come over here and you look at it, you can see like this is just crazy. Like literally 24/7, like these coins just keep getting created and created and created and created to the point where like there's like no end to this. There's no end to this now. Like we just keep seeing so many different projects created, and it's crazy. Now you're seeing there's a lot of people here. There's a 611 addresses total here. And the wallet everyone's talking about that keeps creating this coin is this one here. This is the 414 wallet address. So this one has been creating all these different projects. And there's speculations on who it could possibly be. Some people are saying, yeah, it's Richard Hart. Some people are saying, yeah, blah, 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 blah. A lot of people are really speculating on who is really creating all these. And no one could really know. Like, no one could really know. Let's be honest. It's impossible to know at this point. So you can't really 100% know exactly who's doing this, but whoever it is, this wallet address here. But anyways, that doesn't matter right now. What matters right now is the gains that we're seeing. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Look, this is crazy. That's 819K inside FDV fully diluted value. The liquidity is at 19K. But look here, the 24-hour trading volume here for this MONAT money is at $6,500. That is same. Not even the trading value. Nah, I mean 6,500% for the 24-hour gains here. Inside the last 24 hours, 6,500% is what the gains are looking like. And now we're even breaking past the Fibonacci we just now created. Look, this was literally created not even a full 24 hours ago, and it's already 6,500% up, which is absolutely insane. Like, look at this. This is crazy. Like, you don't see this in other blockchains. Like, if you think about what type of money people are making in this, imagine if you would have put $1,000 in here back here, right? Or let's just say most people aren't doing 1,000. Most people are throwing like $100 in these projects because it's very, very risky. I won't lie, this is very, very risky. But like most people are taking like $100 into just throwing it into this, right? They're taking $100 and throwing it into it. But imagine if you take in $100 and then you just multiply that by 65. That's a 65x. That's 6,500 off of your $100. That is absolutely insane. If you did $1,000, that's $65,000. Now liquidity, because of the liquidity, you probably wouldn't be able to sell it all. But if you did $100, you could definitely sell all of that at 6,500, and then people would just buy it right back up. Right now, there's some sales coming in this for this, but this thing is still pumping. It hasn't even been out for a full day yet, and this is the capabilities of the Pulse chain. Like we're seeing all of these different things, and then another thing, Wrapped Bitcoin has been doing very good as well. wBTC. This is PWBTC though. This is Pulse Wrapped Bitcoin. So this is the Pulse chain one. And it's pretty exciting because it's only at $179. But imagine if they get this up to the same price of Bitcoin. That would be even crazier. That would be crazy. It's up 54% in the last 24 hours. Currently priced at $179. It's been pumping huge. It's been doing good numbers. Liquidity at 398K. Market cap at 27.6 million. So this one has been doing very, very, very good as well. And if you come over here and look at the wrapped Bitcoin, like there's only 154,000 total wBTC. See, the reason they did that, they're trying to probably get this to the same price of the current Bitcoin. And it's going to be much easier with this low amount of coins. So it'll be much easier with this low amount of coins that they have here. So that's why they're doing it like this. That's very, very smart. And yeah, like I said, like these coins, they keep getting deployed, and they're growing by every day, every second. Like literally every second of every day, we're getting so many of these different projects just being created. So many different wallets here being created for these. So a lot of good stuff is going on with these different coins, all these different LPs here. There's a lot going on here. And look, as we're talking, it's still gaining MONAT money. It's still increasing in price. This is absolutely insane. I don't know how much longer it's going to do this. I don't know how much longer it will. But remember, P. Dye and Atropa, like everyone was saying the same thing about that. Teddy Bear, everyone was saying the same thing about these three other tokens here. And you can see that these three are still increasing inside of price, even after people said, nah, they're not going to keep going because they already went up by like 20,000, 30,000, 40,000%. It's not going to keep going. But no, he kept doing it. And that was for Teddy Bear back there. If you look at this one, it kept doing it. It kept going thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of percents up, and it's still doing the same thing. This is crazy that this is happening. Obviously, right now, Atropa, PDI, Teddy Bear, those are all actually pulling back right now, right? So the new one on the block right now is this, and that is wrapped Bitcoin. PWBTC, and then we have MONAT money also doing very good gains right now. So PDI has taken a little bit of a back seat right here. As you can see, it has hit that support. So right now it's trying to get back up. So that's taking a little bit of a back seat there. Same thing here with Teddy Bear. It's pulled back a little bit, hit that little support back there. Same thing here with the Tropa. It's pulled back just a little bit. So the big ones right now that everyone's looking at is PWBTC, and then we have MONAT money. This is crazy. This is crazy. So check out Pulsechain if you haven't checked it out yet. WBTC is going crazy on Pulsechain. MONAT money is going crazy on Pulsechain. So check that out. And yeah, I'll definitely keep you all updated on what's next and what's new inside of the ecosystem, because we're getting new stuff every day for this ecosystem. But anyways, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely do your own research. Don't just go jumping in on these pairs just because I'm talking about it. Like, definitely do your own research here, because anything can happen at any given time for any of these pairs. Like, literally, look, we have wBTC going crazy. We have MONAT money going crazy. But FBI is down huge. Teddy Bear is down a little bit. Tropa's down a little bit. PDI is down a little bit. So always do your due diligence. Always do your research, because some of these projects some of them aren't too good. Some of them are just random pairs that were created, and you can always tell by their liquidity. If they have very low liquidity, stay away from it. Stay away from it like it's a plague, because if they're low liquidity, they're probably rug pulls. They're probably scams. You don't want to get liquidity hopped here, because people are hopping from liquidity to liquidity. Like, they're literally hopping liquidity pairs, like these random ones with like 1.3k liquidity but 1.9 million inside of fully diluted value. Like, that doesn't make sense. So you always got to be careful and due diligent here. But yep, we have some good numbers still going on with wBTC, as well as the other one that we were mentioning, which is the other one that we're mentioning. I already forgot the name of it. Look, there's so many of them being created that they're literally just boom, like they're just out the window like that. Yeah, MONAT money. But yeah, there's a lot of them being created. So you definitely want to be careful here. And just to kind of show you the watch list that I've created here, this is the little watch list that I have here. Now, it's not many, obviously, it's not many, but those are the ones that I'm watching out for. And now MONAT money is a new one on here that I'm adding, because it's another one that's doing fairly well. I like to do the ones with more liquidity. So I don't care about the percentage. If the percentage is slightly higher, the transactions are slightly higher on another. I'm mainly looking at liquidity here. So I am noticing that the MONAT money liquidity is decreasing, which means that people are selling. But people can buy back in, and then more liquidity can come back in. But yeah, if people are selling, liquidity is dropping. So you got to also pay attention to liquidity. Right now, the liquidity is currently at 60K. But look, it's still increasing. It's still increasing, even though we backed out for a little bit there. It's still increasing. So we'll go ahead and add the MONAT money there to that as well. So yeah, y'all definitely want to check this out. Like, this is crazy. I'm not saying just hop right into it, because it could just start selling out randomly and you could lose everything. So these are the type of things that you put like $10 into. It's not the type of thing that you put all your money into. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. I'll keep you all updated on what's to come next. And as always, oh yeah, hit the like button and subscribe, because I'm going to keep doing these updates here for all these different Pulsechain pairs. So definitely stay up to date there. And anyways, I'll be back with another video.